Hi guys and good morning everyone sa mga viewer and subscriber guys. Today is our first day of our teeth treatment. Hmm? Nanilaw guys. So I have teeth treatment today. See you later guys. Going to the dentist guys. Our schedule is guys 10:30. Now is 9:30 but not far here, very close here where we stay. Really feel good after done all my treatment guys. Feel nervous. Few minutes na lang. Metropol Commercial Entrance. Done na our first treatment guys to my teeth. That?
Good.
Hi guys, we have na at the house guys after done our teeth treatment. Decide guys manhid pa hanggang ngayon guys kasi nilagyan akong anesthesia. Manhid yung dito side kasi ito lang yung nilagyan. And then next treatment is Thursday. Good because the doctor told me every week instead of 2 weeks. So my next treatment on Thursday. Ibot ni guys dinner rolls. This one tissue. But one tissue. This one. My husband drink is big. And they try this their process, my husband. This one payless. We bought toothbrush. My doctor told me to change our toothbrush. We use this. That's it guys. Let's eat guys, noodles guys. And this one. Dinner rolls. This is our lunch. Done first treatment of my teeth over here guys. Still manhid pa ngayon guys.
Hillary Clinton thought teaching class at Columbia was going to be a breeze. Once a week, throw on a pantsuit, tell college girls Russia stole the election. But a lot has changed on campus since
Manhid yung dito ko ngayon.
they hate the Jews at Columbia. And
Hindi
Hillary had
makaramdam
nowhere
kasi sa anesthesia.
Columbia called the confrontation respectful. Hillary, on the other hand,
Ida na?
called it an airstrike,
Yummy?
but was convinced that the left side
Glad no wasted food, huh?
Yeah.
But Hillary isn't special. Rockefeller
that.
Center was surrounded last night by a Palestinian mob. There was a demonstration to flood the tree lighting for Gaza. Watch. But the mob was blocked from disrupting the Christmas tree lighting, and then got violent. The protesters clashed with police and patriotic New Yorkers who were just trying to celebrate the holidays. At one point, Palestinians tried to rip an American flag away from a New Yorker. who eventually needed a police escort
Try naman to
after
eat me
radicals
this side.
surrounded him and began shouting, Allah Akbar.
What this eat me?
7 Palestinian supporters were arrested, but that did not slow things down. One protester stole a cop's hat, lit it on fire, and paraded it throughout the street.
This is dinner roll eh. Yan lahat.
If you're watching, chances are you haven't. Previously,
How much more ano? This is big.
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Amale, it is I, the captain speaking, and we are on the way to a very unique auction, a moving company. Over 100
like that
storages
one.
belonging to military servicemen from overseas, either abandoned, unpaid, no one wanted, etc., etc. Often people think they don't sell military stuff, it's illegal, but the reality is it happens all the freaking time. We, Six Picks, myself, are head.
And welcome to Hannity, and tonight we are broadcasting live.
We're finally.
Be great.